Ethan's first day feeding the ducks.
Hi guys, you're cute.
Over there near the island.
At the Maui Tropical Plantation.
No.
Yes.
And Ethan is now 4 months.
Oh, right there. Right.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry.
And he's feeding the duckies. Oh, sort of.
Wait.
There you go. You fed the duck. Want to try again? You want to try again? You gotta hold this.
Hold the cracker, Ethan.
Hold the cracker.
Closer.
There you go. Hold the cracker. And now you gotta throw it.
Take one giant step backwards.
You gotta throw it. Let it go.
My cracker.
They're gonna come get it.
Let go of the cracker,
They're gonna come
Ethan.
get it.
They're gonna pull it out of your hand.
It's not supposed to fly. You're in the sun.
You gotta let go of it. They're gonna come get it.
Oh, there you
There
go.
you go.
So go get some pictures.
He's so cute. How old is he?
A little over 3 months.
Oh, he's darling. That baby is so cute. See
feed
all
him
those
again?
duckies around you.
He says, I don't know what these things are.
I know. I will. They're silly.
But the duckies know what cookies are.
Yeah. Gotta let it go.
Let go, Ethan. Let go of the cracker.
You gonna throw it?
They're gonna come and get it from you.
They got you. They got you. This is a duck mosh pit.